If you have been wondering how to start a digital product business, pay attention to this short video. Now I'm going to highlight the 3 things that you need to begin your own online business using digital products. The first thing that you need is a product with MRR. MRR means that you get the master resell rights. And so you can be able to sell it to the end user, that is retailing. And you can also be able to start a business selling it to people who want to sell the same products to people just like you. Okay, so you can sell it to coaches, you can sell it to people who want to begin their own online business using or selling digital products. You get all the rights, so you're able to comfortably sell without worrying about breaking any law. So these products are normally in form of they're editable, so you only need a free Canva account for you to be able to go in, put in your logo if you have, put in your name as the author of the product, and you're free to sell it and put in a price that you're comfortable selling it at. Now, the next thing that you need is a website that has the payment gateways so that you're able to sell it seamlessly and the client is able to receive the product into their email, or they're able to download it directly. The third thing that you need is creating content. Content creation is key when it comes to selling online. You need to connect with people. You don't need to sound silly, meaning you don't need to sound like you're doing hard selling or you're pushing people to buy from you. You need to create content that will make people trust you and see you as the master of the game. Now, when it comes to getting products with MRR, go to the link at the bio or go to the link at the description and you'll be able to get this product. This is a product, it's a bundle that has 10 niches in one bundle. You'll be able to see all the products that are included with the master resell rights. These are done for you products in different niches, and you'll be able to open this using a free Canva account. Go in and edit. You can add whatever you want to add. If you want to delete anything or add extra pages, you can be able to do that. Then on them, download them, go to your preferable site. You can use Gumroad, you can use Stanstore, you can use Google Docs to be able to sell these products. You can use system.io to be able to sell and collect payments with these products. Personally, I'm using Payhip. You can use Payhip. It's a very good account that doesn't charge you monthly, but they charge you a small percentage on every sale that you make. So go ahead and check out this product. They have MRR, they have different niches. You will be able to benefit personally to grow your business because you also get a lot of bonus content on how to resell this product, on how to use faceless marketing, on how to use digital marketing, how to create content to be able to resell this product. So the beauty about having a bundle like this is that you can be able to even specifically say you want to maybe deal with small business niche only. So you can choose to only concentrate on one bundle first. You don't even have to sell it as it is. If you don't have an idea on how to create content, go to ChatGPT and use these prompts. You can screenshot this and then instruct ChatGPT to give you 7-day content that will feel natural. People will trust you and eventually buy from you. When it comes to pricing, don't price your products too high. As you can see, we have a current offer at $27, and within this weekend, we'll be selling this bundle at $17 only. So if you're interested, get in now and get the product at $17. We'll be changing this product and extend the offer from $97 to $17 for a limited time only. So go to the bio or go to the link in the description and check out the current price of the product depending on when you get to watch this video.